Hello, everyone. Um, Today I'm gonna touch on a slightly different subject, not so much as adventurous. Um, this is Chasing Adventures, and my name is Mario Monclova. Gonna touch on some historical aspects or mysteries that could never have or have been explained. Um, I was watching an upload by Origins Explained on YouTube, and on it, it touched on a subject on what were the greatest weapons in history from a couple thousand years ago. One of them being Greek fire. Scientists, historians could not explain or gather up any what do you call it, the recipe to why the fire was constant and would not stop burning. I have came up with a recipe or an idea or a theory um, that could be most likely explanation. I'm not saying it is the right recipe. I'm not saying it was the recipe. I'm just saying that it's more logical. For me, I've had thoughts and theory, well, thoughts before I even knew what theory the term meant since I was 9 years old. Um, the but to get on to Greek fire, history and science's greatest mysteries in warfare as well. Um, to get started, I'm gonna put some links on the description below on some of the images I gathered from Google. That's one of them. Sorry, my printer ran out of ink, and it shows how the fire was constant. And sorry, my presentation's not that great. Again, I don't get paid to do videos. I'm not a big time YouTuber. I don't have very many subscriptions. Not very many will see this video. Um, I at least I think. Anyway, um, my theory on the recipe of Greek fire is perhaps they use magnesium particulates, rocks, minerals. Magnesium is a very flammable element, and in solid, Volkswagen used to use them on the Beetle and the Volkswagen minibus. Um, I've seen 7 of those burnt completely. Just the frame was left, but the engines would just continue to burn. Very difficult to turn off, to shut the fire off. They burn so brightly and solid, like it's almost like a welding torch. Uh, they're that bright fires. Um, anyway, also the so I think they use magnesium as a main source of continuous fire. So they might have had minerals from it, or even like granulated in some parts. But for it to continue burning, they had to have wrapped it in either kerosene or some kind of fuel with silk. And the silk might have been strand as well. Um, Obviously, silk from China, the Silk Road. Anyway, silk is a durable fabric, and when wet, it's even more durable. So, um, for it to maintain constant fire, to turn the magnesium into a constant flame as it was being shot at the enemy, being another ship, is relative. But what I think, what kept the fire burning, even including in the water, on the water per se, I would say it was that there were pockets of methane. That's a natural process from the earth, uh, crevice on the crust opened up beneath the battle, and that's why there was that constant fire on the battles, which burnt many of the enemy ships. Might have burnt some of the ships from the Greeks. Who knows? Um, some of these images, the most obvious of one, I ran out of black, so thus didn't get the brown on the ship. Might have been exaggerated too, um, but the constant flame could have been just from the methane being shot at, and they had a liquid. They could have used the liquid kerosene, their kerosene lamps back then. Um, and the methane, it was an accelerant. That's basically my theory. Um, Thanks for viewing. My name is Mario Monclova Jr. from Los Angeles, California, and Chasing Adventures is out. Thanks for viewing. Oh, and you would find over here on this corner my channel icon. You could click on it to subscribe if you like my video. If you want to continue seeing updates, you could hit the bell notification button. Give me a like if you like. It'd be helpful. I mean, I don't I don't make money off these videos. I'm just a regular guy who likes to share footage. Thank you. Be seeing you soon. Goodbye.